Hello dear students, welcome you all to the 33rd lecture of Marketing Management, and today's topic is advertisement. Every day in various medias we see advertisement, like print media we see print advertisements, on television we see different kind of advertisements, radio advertisement and all those advertisements. But what actually is advertisement? We will discuss today. The definition, first of all, let's see what is the definition of advertisement, and then we will discuss what are the objectives of advertisement, then what are the various functions advertisement play, role of advertisement, and we will see the types of different kind of advertisements. So first we will go to the next slide and we'll see what is the definition of advertisement. So, advertisement is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotions of idea, goods, and services by an identified sponsor. Few keywords are here. You see, first of all, it is a paid form. Means we have to pay for something for the advertisement. And second keyword is non-personal. It means it is not for a single person. It is for the mass, like whatever advertisement we are making, it is for mass. And identified sponsor, these are the three keywords of the definitions. It means that the sponsor of advertisement is known. Okay, so first is paid, second it is non-personal, it means it is for mass, and finally through an identified sponsor. So non-personal, as compared to the personal, like direct one-to-one marketing, direct or one-to-one promotions, if you see. So it is for one person, but advertisement, in case of advertisement, it is for large audience. So normally in advertisement, they communicate users any numbers of the five senses, like you can see it, you can listen to it, okay, and sometimes few ads are there on which you can interact with the sponsors. So basically the focus is here to use all the five senses of the customer so that he can get in more involved with your promotion message. And in this that information could be complete or incomplete or relevantly complete, because it is short, advertisements are short, you can't give the full description of the product over there. Okay, so five basic functions, a few of them we have already seen. First, paid communication, we have seen in the definition itself. Sponsored is known in this, and it tries to inform or pursue, means the objective might be to give the information about the product or to pursue the customers to buy the product. And fourth one is large audience, as it is a non-personal communication, so it reaches to a large audience. And message conveyed through many different kind of largely non-personal mass media. Mass media, it might be television or radio or print or any other form. So these are the five basic functions of advertisement. Next, we see what are the objectives of advertising. So most of them are very common thing which we all know about marketing, why we do, which we know about advertisements. And these are pretty known by you all. You can make it understand very clearly, like to make an immediate sale and to build the primary demand. If your product is new in the market, so you do a lot of advertisement about your product. So you want to tell the customer about the features of your product, how to use the product, and how this product is going to help the customers and solve their problem. So to introduce a price deal, in case you are giving some kind of discount or some other offers you are giving, to introduce that also you go by advertisement. To build brand recognition or brand insistence, this is also one objective. Uh, to help salesmen by building an awareness of the product among the retailers, because if the product is well known by the retailers, the salesmen need not to put a lot of effort. So if brand is well known, the retailers easily they will buy it. To create a reputation for services, reliability, or research strength. You might have seen in various advertisements of these electronic items, and also they in that itself they give that our after sales services are very good, okay, or some kind of warranty, guarantee, reliability, and all those things will come under that. So in their advertisement itself they give the information about those things, and to increase the market share. Ultimately the goal is to get the maximum market share. So these all are the objectives for which different marketers or different brands give their advertisements. Now, what are the functions? Almost same, like whatever the objectives were there, functions are almost related to them. So if we are giving advertisements, so we are trying to distinguish our product from the competitor. We will tell the audience that how our product is different than the competitors. What are the additional benefits they will get, which the competitors are not offering. So the marketers try to highlight the benefits or the features of the product. And to communicate products information, it is self-explanatory, no need to explain it. How to use the products, you might have seen the ads like काटो घोलो or lagao kind of ads you might have seen, or Maggie 2 minutes noodles. If you have seen that, now they are not showing how to prepare it, but if you will go to YouTube and see early 80s or 90s ads of Maggie, so in that they used to give the information about how to cook Maggie also. Okay, so they tell how to use the product also. And if you might have seen the ads of Livon when they introduced the product in the market, so that time in their ads they shows that how to use the product itself, ki gile balon mein laga lo and something and all. So sometimes marketers they give information about how to use the product in their ads. To explain products distribution, like if they want to distribute their product, when the retailers or wholesalers will buy the product, when the demand will come from the market. So ultimately somewhere we was in earlier slides we have seen that push and pull marketing also. So the concept is here to generate the demand at the end customer so that he will ask for the product, and you can expand your product distribution if demand is coming. To increase the brand preferences and to reduce the overall sales cost. Because if you are not doing advertisement, you need to invest a lot for your sales team, and it will be a costly exercise, and efforts are too much there. So it is better to go for advertisement and reduce your sales cost. Next, we will see here what are the different types of advertisements. So in different books, you can get the different types of advertisement. Here we are following the Kotler. And according to that, these are the different types of advertisements. First is institutional advertisements. So like might be you have seen the ads nowadays in television, like Delhi government, they are giving the ads regarding the pollution and all. Okay, or it is basically to promote the organization's image, ideas, and political issues. Or sometimes you might have seen that different companies they give ads in which they mention that how they are going to serve the society, and how what are the different projects they are already doing for that. Like BHEL's ad might be you have seen sometimes, or Tata's CSR activities where they show. So those kind of ads where they try to promote the brand image of institutions, not for any product. Second is advocacy advertising. So companies position on a public issues when they want to show. So this time, that time they use advocacy advertising. Then product advertising, in which they tell about how to use the product, what are the features, what are the benefits. Then pioneer advertisements are there where they want to stimulate the demand, immediate demand. In those kind of ads, you might have seen that they give the information about the price drop, or might be some kind of offers information they give in their ads. So objective behind this is to stimulate the demand. Okay. Competitive advertisement, where they stimulate demand for a product with the information about the product's advantages. They compare the competitive advertisements. Basically, they try to compete with the competitors, and they give information, more information about their product and its advantage. The focus is on advantages. Comparative advertisements, like where the different brands compete with each other. Like sometimes back you might have seen the advertisement of Vim and Dettol dishwash. Okay, Dettol also introduced its dishwash, but I don't think they are continuing the product. They have dropped the product. And if you see the ads some 8 years back, I think, so that time their ads were very competitive, and they both fall under that ad war, we will say that time. And second last is reminder advertisement, where the objective is to remind about the brand. A reinforcement advertisement assures users that they choose the right brand. Okay, so जो सही है उसे चुनिए, might be you have seen that ad. So in that kind of ads, they try to influence customers' perception, that we influence customers by saying that we are the right choice for them. Okay, so these are the reinforcement advertisements. Next, some popular advertisement campaigns we can see there, like Pepsi, Ye Dil Maange More, Nokia connecting people, Gillette, a best man can get it. So this is the example of reinforcements. दाग अच्छे हैं, देश की धड़कन, हीरो होंडा. So like that, you can go to YouTube or Google, you can see a lot of advertisements and different types of ad you can identify from there. Next, very important topic, AIDA model. Okay, like advertisements ultimate objective, what is it? Like people should come and buy the product. Okay, so there is a model which says that initially the objective is to attract the attention of the customers. Okay, so through the ads or through the print ads, so the objective is to customer should see it first of all, to get the attention of customer. Second, to generate the interest of the product. Okay, you need to find out more about the customer's need, what he is interested in, and after that develop a desire for the product to the customers. And finally, promotion actions, information that you will need to buy. Okay, so ultimately the customer should come and buy the product. So this is very, very important for examination point of view. So when we see the advertisement, so it starts with submission, then advertisement effort should be measured, which media we will select, and what kind of message, and how much money will go for that. All these things we need to work on. So today's assignment, this module's assignment is very interesting. You need not to do a lot of things. You just have to open newspaper and identify various advertisements in that. And television you need to watch for at least for 1 hour, which you are doing every day. And you need to calculate how many advertisements are there, and note down the durations of television advertisement you have watched. And finally, you have to go through that link which I'm showing you here, and I will mention that link in the description also. And you need to go and watch this Idea Cellular ad on what different education can make. Give your comment on effectiveness of web advertisement. So this is the assignment for this module which you need to submit, and I will mention the date also, as well as the Google form also I will make and post in the comment box. I hope you understood the concept of advertisements. If you have some queries, you can ask me on your WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for watching.